In this video, we're going to be providing a full tutorial on Character AI. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. To sign up, you simply need to go to character.ai. From here, you'll have the option to sign up with Google, Apple or a valid email address. I'm going to go for Google. Once signed up, you will need to confirm your date of birth, then you can click continue. You can now start using Character AI. On the home page, you can view and interact with a variety of different characters that have been created by other users. For example, if I click one of these, it will open up a new chat. To generate our own character, we need to hover over Create in the top left, then select Character. Now from here we need to fill out all these fields to create our character. Starting off, if we click the circle at the top, we have the option to generate an image or upload an image for what our character will look like. I'm going to select Generate Image. From here you will need to describe the character you would like to create. For this, I'm going to type a young man in his late 20s with an athletic build and sun-kissed tan. He has messy dark brown hair, lively green eyes and a light stubble, dressed in a casual adventurous style with a simple shirt, cargo pants and hiking boots. He carries a worn backpack and wears a leather bracelet, giving off friendly, rugged charm. Then I'm going to click Generate. Character AI has now generated 4 different images. I just need to choose one that I like, then click Select. Now we need to give the character a name, so I'm going to go for Ethan Cross. Then for the tagline, you need to put how the character will describe themselves. So for this I'm going to put adventurer with a curious mind. For the description, you need to put a longer description about all your character's traits. For example, I'm going to type, I'm Ethan, an explorer at heart. I've travelled through bustling cities and remote forests, always chasing the thrill of discovery. I love sharing stories about my adventures, hearing about other people's journeys and finding inspiration in the unknown. Though I carry confident exterior, I value kindness, honesty and deep conversations. The greeting section is what your character's opening line will be. For example, I'm going to put, hey there, I'm Ethan. I just got back from trekking across the mountains and I've got plenty of stories to share. What about you? Are you more of a traveller or someone who prefers home comforts? I'm also going to quickly add an additional greeting. If we click AI greeting for new chats, Character AI will provide an AI generated greeting as a first message based on what we have put in the above fields. Now for voice, we can select all of these different options. We can preview these by clicking the play button on each one.
Alert, never missing a beat.
Greetings, Earthling. Prepare for interstellar adventures and cosmic mysteries.
If we click Create in the top right, we can generate our own voice based on a 15-second voice clip which we upload. Today I'm going to choose one of these. For tags, I'm going to select Adventure. Now we can choose if we would like our character to be public, unlisted, which means it can only be accessed by other people via a link, or private. I'm now going to click Create Character. Our character has now been created and we can start interacting with it. If you'd like me to create a full tutorial on all the other features Character AI has to offer, let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on the latest AI tools, and we'll see you in the next video.